How to create a Ultra Panda store account. This video is designed to help our agents and distributors maximize their profits. Log in to your Subdistributor account by visiting ht-ultrapanda.mobi. Password: change your password. User. Click the sidebar, then click User Management and User Management under it. Agent, click Add Agent. Fill out the username and password. All other settings remain default. Score on an agent account. Click Set Score. A. Positive, plus, number increases balance. A. Negative, number decreases balance. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.